gonna do something a little bit different. We are gonna give away a 1965 Corvette 327 4-speed car. What a dream to drive. What a beautiful car. I mean, I'm down here, downtown Las Vegas, cruising down Fremont Street. This is just unbelievable. Beautiful little car. What's up? Thanks, brother. And anyway, this is a car that you could get in and go drive it anywhere you want, have a good time in it. And you could actually talk to your date. It's not so loud that you can't hear her. Quiet little car, lots of get up and go. It's a fantastic little running car. Car has 63,000 original miles. Car's been well taken care of. Everything on the car is in good shape. There is a reason why Corvette has always had such a great name and always been so awesome, is because General Motors did not cut any corners on a Corvette. Pound for pound, probably one of the coolest cars ever. I mean, they're light, they're agile, they handle, they're just a cool car. Anyway, you're gonna have to win this car. It's gonna be, this is a cool car. This car is cool enough to what you could drive it, your wife could drive it. So, enter to win. Yeah, comfy little car, cool little seats. It's really cool how you sit down in a Corvette. The feeling of getting in one is like kind of like, you know, that hood out in front of you and that motor sitting out in front of you with a 4-speed transmission. You know, a Corvette has always had that hood, you know, that big hood in front of you. Feels like you're just getting ready to launch to the moon in one of these, you know. I mean, I love the Sting Ray. I like this year. I love this year. This era of car was really cool. To me, it was one of my favorites, actually, was this year. These years, I should say, of the Sting Ray, this C2 was actually one of my favorites. But it's cool. I mean, I can just go drive this thing around and bullshit and got a little 4-speed in it. If I want to hot rod a little bit, I get down in it and hot rod a little, you know? I mean, talk about handle for 1965. Thing whips around a corner, feels really good. I mean, in 1965, to buy a car off the showroom floor that you could actually go run on a track, I mean, I could go autocross this car right now with the old suspension and the older technology in it and do pretty good. I can tell you that right now. It'd still do pretty good. You know, drivability is unbelievable. I mean, it's quiet. I just hit the railroad tracks over there, no noises. It just boom. The suspension in this car is pretty freaking unbelievable. Feels really good. Picked this car up from my buddy Dave. He was selling it. And I thought, you know what? This would be a great opportunity for me to own a Corvette for a little while, go have some fun with it and give it away. It sounded like a great idea. That's why I decided to change things up a little bit and do a, do a Corvette. I gotta be diversified. I don't think we should stick to one thing. I want to be diversified. Shit, I might be doing a semi truck next. I don't know. We'll see.